Hey guys, after getting off my work, I usually try to walk because I don't want to work out at a gym, and also COVID virus is everywhere. We should be careful. Anyway, why don't you take your time and just walk? It makes you definitely feel good. Walk your walk and do your walk. Have a good day. Let's go. Walking is sort of meditation. It can change your mood, definitely. And who knows, it could change your life. Take your time and just walk. It is amazing. Let's plant the money tree seeds by reading this book.